In this episode of Tech Under 1000 Pesos, we will look on the Armageddon SWIFTSPECTRA AK 333 SFX. That is a long name to say, but priced for 725 pesos. To answer the question, is this the best gaming keyboard for the money? The AK333 SFX is a gaming keyboard that provides a ton of features in one package. Inside, we have the user guide and the unit itself. On the build, the keyboard has fixed elevation and all plastic build made by the keyboard, sturdy enough for endurance test, coated by a UV matte finish which is common to gaming laptop keyboards. The cable length of 1.4 meter is average that lacks braiding on the keyboard's cord. Overall, the keyboard's design and build is great, but not better to be said. So let's talk about the specs. The keyboard has 110 keys that are membrane-based switches that say soft and silent chiclet keys, paired with spectrum color backlight, media controls, 2 mm of key travel, multiple color combination with brightness and breathing options, and of course, 2-year warranty. Let's talk about performance. The keyboard is cool to hear with some clicks that we can expect on a gaming keyboard with no mechanical switches, where the keys are individually lit that the brightness have 3 levels that is very visible on darker environments and 3 color zones to choose from without any softwares, giving the user to make the light change in colors by pressing the light icon or function plus light icon to make some breathing effect. When it comes to ergonomics, the keyboard feels great when typing with some learning curve. Where the media keys are on the left would disrupt the user to accidentally press the volume down rather than on the control key. So the keyboard also has fast actuation and low profile that typing and gaming performance is very well achieved. But your mileage may vary. Despite the price, the Armageddon has its flaws. Number 1, no software is used to control all the lighting zones to be customized or individually change a key to a different color, which is the case to be said that you are stuck with a fixed configuration. Number 2 is the build where the cable is not braided, giving the durability to be less than perfect. Number 3, for the price, I wish for a software to program the keys and the media controls itself to become more flexible. So bottom line then, as for gamers and productivity users on a budget, the SWIFTSPECTRA keyboard is the best RGB keyboard that provides some cool features. With great keyboard travel and unique looks, this is the best keyboard to date in providing a better value for money, RGB vibes, and portable to use. With that, I have to say you should check the SWIFTSPECTRA AK 333 SFX out that I do. Highly recommended for your gaming setup and value for money this 2018. That will be on my new top gaming list, and for the link on where to buy this keyboard is on the video description box below. So what are your thoughts on this mouse? Leave a comment down below. Now we must end. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.